please. Oh, yeah, there you go.
Mr. Caleb, I could also use some help.
There you go.
Thank you.
Caleb, go along.
Oh! Got it!
Construction workers, you know, we get a lot of questions about
DIY projects.
Yeah.
Like, how can I build my own awesome beats back at the house?
That's right, man. Now, whenever you're working on a beat back at the house, it's always nice to have an
extra set of hands to help out.
High five.
Wow, in fact, we could use an extra set of hands right now. Is there anybody out there in the audience with power tool experience?
Guys, I got a volunteer right here. What's your name, young lady?
Yay.
Natalie, where you from? Everybody give it up for Natalie from Canada!
All right, well, we got Natalie with a fierce arm. We're getting Natalie ready to go. While we're getting her ready to go, I need to talk to you guys about safety. That's right. Now, whether you're working on a beat at home or on the construction site, it's always important to wear the proper protective gear.
That's right. Okay,
Like
Natalie, you're going to help us out by holding onto this bucket and take like 3 steps backwards here into our safe zone. 1, 2, and 3. Perfect. Now listen. Oh, hold on. Okay, it's fitted perfectly now. Now listen, you're not going to move from this safe zone, okay? Because safety is universal.
Yeah!
Exactly. And just to make sure Natalie's extra safe, we're going to lower down that visor right there. How you feeling under there, Natalie? Really? And what's that you say? She said she loves the show.
She loves the show. All right, now for everybody else out there, we're going to need your help on this one. Put those hands together. We're going to see how fast you can build these beats.
That's right. That means everybody, come on.
All right, let's do this. Yeah, keep it going. Doing great, Natalie. Here we go. Still missing something, guys.
Yeah?
You know what our show needs?
What?
A little more cowbell!
Oh, yeah. All right, Natalie, take this cowbell, take this drumstick. Now look, you've been practicing at home, right? Really? Perfect, yeah. Okay, now look, this is your chance to show everyone that you're ready to be a beat builder. Keep that thing wet.
Hey, let's get her playing like the people to sing song.
Good idea, man. All right, Natalie, we're gonna have some fun. You're just gonna groove along with us, all right? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, okay, all right. We're gonna do a little step touch action. Starting on the way. Here we go. Follow us. That's it. You can be a part of our group any day.
All right, boys, let's put some finishing touches on these beats.
beat builders, and we hope to see you all at our next construction project. Thank you, Orlando, and good night!